What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Robbie Sucks, and today we are going to strip down the BSA. Check it out. Okay, so right now I'm taking off some of the accessories like this rear rack.
Nice rack.
I don't need this rear rack. This is going away. And then all these lights you see here and these harnesses and everything that's on the ground that you can see, or not on the ground, but like just here, this needs to be churched up. Too easy for us. We will have to probably get new terminals and coils once the battery goes in. But basically is we're going to strip this down, tape everything off that we want to, and just do another, you know, hey, rods.
Valve train.
Yeah, that's cool. Huh.
Found your nuts?
Found the valve train.
Oh.
We're going to do some type of paint job to this. I'm still working it in my mind.
Yeah, come on.
So then I was like, no man, that's my ice cream. Oh hey, didn't see you there. It's me, Robbie. Summer's in full swing. And you know, to keep cool and look cool doing it, maybe pick up some of this sweet Robbie swag from RobbieSucksStore.com. We've got the new summer yellow tees out and they look fantastic. Remember,
it's okay to suck.
just don't give up. A little torching. Alright, so out come the alternative lifestyle pliers. And
Yeah.
we're gonna cut through all this. Bye harnesses, because well, we got the schematics. I mean, I how to build wire harnesses, so I'm not worried about it. Good news is we got the old harness out. There it is. Rest in peace. Now we're taking the points out right here. I'm gonna take these out, and then we'll eventually move on to maybe the motor, but the bars are gonna come off. Whole new front end. Bars are gonna come off. Whole new front end. We're gonna take off. Maybe we'll take off the fork. Maybe not. But we gotta clean it up. And yeah, we're gonna have to because that's gonna need to be repacked. As you can see, it's got a pretty solid, solid leak coming out of that right side. We're getting there. Alright guys, well that's going to do it today on this episode. We've got the bike pretty much stripped down just to pretty much the tires, the front fork, and the motor, as you can see here. So there it is. There's the bike. Ooh, ooh. As always, guys, I love you. Like, subscribe. Keep coming back for more Robbie Sucks. And I'll see you next time. Yeah, okay.
Nice rack.